This video is about sea turtle in Penang National Park.
You们要去哪里？快点讲。
我们要去看特特。
啊，来，用你们 magic teleport 去，好不好？teleport。OK，go。哇！
Where are we now? Where are we now? We are at a bed. Turtle Conservation and Information Center. We are baby green sea turtle.
We are the kids of Green Sea Turtle.
Wow, where is it? Wow, that's big one. Wow.
I am the mother of Green Sea Turtle.
Okay, you can touch it.
Let me tell you some facts about green sea turtle. Green sea turtle eat seagrass and help maintain the health of the seagrass beds. Seagrass beds are important because they provide breeding and developmental grounds for many species of fish, shellfish, and crustaceans. If green sea turtles go extinct, there would be a serious decline in seagrass beds and a decline in all the other species dependent upon the grass beds for survival. Let's help to protect sea turtle. Thanks for watching. Bye now and see you again. Please subscribe for watching our other videos. Thank you.